Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the column or columns you want to change. Click the header letter or click and drag to pick a range. Once selected, go to Home, choose Format, then column width and type a numeric value. This sets character-based width for consistency. Alternatively, drag the right edge of any selected header to eyeball a size. This is faster when precise measurement isn't required. Make sure to select multiple columns if you want uniform widths across a table. Next, refine widths based on content and layout. Double-click the header boundary to auto-fit a column to the longest cell. This is ideal for text of varying length. Once done, you can set a workbook default. Home, Format, Default Width, which applies a baseline width across new sheets. Make sure to use wrap text and adjust cell margins when text should stay within a column. That affects perceived width and avoids unnecessary expansion. If consistent pixels are required, consider a convert. To finish, apply your chosen width across the workbook. Right-click a Sheet tab, select all sheets, then set the column width so every sheet matches. After that, protect the sheet to prevent accidental changes, review, protect sheet, and save a template if you reuse the layout. If things go wrong, here's one key troubleshooting tip. Merged cells and hidden columns often block resizing. Unmerge cells, unhide columns, or remove wrap before trying again, and then reapply your width settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.